Camera step angle controls how the camera snaps when orbiting in the 3D view. Setting it to none allows for smooth, free movement, while choosing a specific value snaps the camera to incremental angles in addition to free movement. By default, the camera step angle is set to none, meaning you can rotate around your 3D drawing view without snapping to a specific angle. If you'd like more control, go to File, open the Control panel, and select the Views tab. Under the 3D Views section, find the Camera Step Angle drop-down menu. Here, you can choose an angle that locks the camera to specific increments. With a value set, notice how the camera now snaps to those angles instead of moving freely. This is especially useful for top-down renderings and precise model alignment. Try out different camera step angles to find what works best for you.